Feel this moment, this quiet threshold where night softens into dawn. The world is still held in a gentle hush, and here you are at the very beginning of something new. Before the mind begins its list, before the world makes its claims, let us simply arrive. Let us inhabit this space between breaths, this sacred pause where everything is possible again. Today is not merely another day. It is a fresh canvas, a chance to move in harmony with the profound wisdom of your own being. So let us begin here, in the quiet, with a single, conscious breath. As you inhale, draw in more than air. Feel the oxygen journeying through you, a silent, ancient exchange. Your lungs expand not by force, but by invitation, a delicate bellows inviting the world in. With every molecule that passes into your bloodstream, consider this. Your body is performing a miracle of chemistry and physics without a single thought from you. The tree outside your window exhales what you need. You exhale what it needs. This is the silent conversation of life, the interconnected rhythm you are part of from your very first breath to your last. There is no separation here, only a flowing, giving balance. So breathe with the awareness of this gift. Let this breath be a recognition of the universe supporting you, of the intricate, cellular dance that sustains your presence here. In this awareness, there is no need to grasp or strive. There is only receiving and releasing, a tidal rhythm within you that mirrors the oceans and the skies. This breath is your anchor, your proof of being here, now, fully alive and fully supported by an entire cosmos of processes you did not create, but that you are privileged to participate in. And from this place of anchored breath, feel the gentle summons to rise. Not just your body from rest, but the rising of your energy, your attention, your intention. Notice the signals, the stretch in your limbs, the awakening of your senses, the soft electrical storm of neural pathways lighting up. This rising is not a command, it is an unfolding. Like a plant turning gradually toward the light, your entire system is orienting toward the day. Honor the mechanics of this rise, the heart adjusting its pace, the hormones orchestrating alertness, the muscles receiving their gentle wake-up call. This is not a machine starting up, but a living ecosystem coming into its daily rhythm. With this rising comes potential energy, a quiet power stored in your very cells, waiting to be directed not by habit, but by choice. So rise with curiosity. What will you do with this energy? How will you channel this exquisite, temporary vitality? Let the rise be slow, be kind. Feel your feet connect to the floor, a reminder of gravity's embrace, the earth's constant support. You are rising, but you are also rooted. You are energy in motion, yet held in a beautiful, stable balance. With this grounded energy now flowing, we turn toward renewal. Consider, for a moment, that you are not the same person who lay down to rest. Throughout the night, a quiet revolution occurred. Cells divided and were repaired, memories were sorted and stored, toxins were filtered and released. Your body, in its infinite intelligence, has been renewing you from the inside out. This renewal is not a one-time event but a constant, gentle process of becoming. You are literally being remade moment by moment. So how do we align with this natural current of renewal? We do it by choosing what we feed this miraculous system, not just with food and water, but with thoughts, with experiences, with the quality of our attention. Renewal is the conscious partnership with your body's innate wisdom. It is drinking water and feeling it hydrate 1,000,000,000,000 cells. It is choosing a thought that strengthens rather than depletes. It is moving in a way that creates flexibility and space, not just burns fuel. Renewal is the understanding that you are both the sculptor and the clay, and that every small conscious choice is a chisel stroke toward wholeness. This leads us to the essence of balance, a dynamic, flowing state, not a rigid perfection. Your body seeks homeostasis, a sweet spot where all systems can function with ease. Think of it as the quiet hum of a spacecraft in orbit, making constant, tiny adjustments to stay on course. Your inner world is the same. Balance is not about denying effort or avoiding challenge. It is about possessing a calm, central point within yourself from which to meet all things. It is the steadiness in your pulse even when your mind is excited, the depth of your breath even when the day feels shallow. When energy is spent, balance calls you to rest. When resources are built, balance calls you to engage. It is the intelligent dialogue between giving and receiving, action and stillness, speaking and listening. To live in balance is to trust this inner dialogue, to honor the need for pause as much as the drive for progress. It is the graceful acceptance that some days you will be the wind, and some days you will be the reed that bends. Both are essential. Both are strong. And so, as this gentle dialogue finds its natural completion, feel how you have arrived. You have breathed with awareness, risen with intention, aligned with renewal, and touched the peace of balance. You are not leaving this quiet space. You are carrying its essence with you. The day ahead is a series of moments, and in each one, you have a choice: to react from old patterns, or to respond from this centered, renewed place you've cultivated. You are ready. You are equipped with the most sophisticated instrument imaginable, your own conscious, resilient being. Move into your day with a sense of curiosity and kindness for yourself and for others. You are part of a vast, interconnected whole, and your grounded, peaceful presence is a gift to that whole. If these moments of calm focus have served you, consider passing this sense of peace forward. Sharing what helps us grow creates ripples of well-being that extend far beyond our own view. If you feel called, liking or subscribing can be a simple way to affirm this path of intentional living, helping these reflections reach others who might be seeking a similar anchor in their morning. But above all, carry this feeling forward. Go gently, move with purpose, and remember your inherent capacity to breathe, to rise, and to renew today and every day.